Have you ever dreamed of something so big it scared you? A goal that whispered in your ear at night, "You can't do this." But deep down, you knew you had to. In a dusty little village where the sun baked the earth dry, lived a boy named Ethan. Not strong, not rich, just hungry. Hungry for more than the scraps life threw at him. His father was a blacksmith, hammer striking iron all day, sparks flying like angry stars. But Ethan, he dreamed of the city lights, of buildings that touched the clouds, of a life where he wasn't just surviving, he was soaring. One evening, as the forge glowed red hot, Ethan watched his father shape a sword. Sweat dripping, muscles straining, but never stopping. "Dad," Ethan whispered, "how do you keep going when it's so hard?" His father paused, hammer mid-air, eyes like embers. "Son, listen." He pulled out a lump of cold iron. "This, useless now. But watch." He thrust it into the fire, pumped the bellows. Flames roared back to life. Hammer fell, once, twice. Sparks flew. The iron screamed, but it shaped. You force yourself, son, not when you feel like it, when you don't.
Ethan's eyes widened. "But how, Dad? It hurts." His father smiled, cracked, wise. "3 fires, boy. Light them all, and you'll rise." First fire, the why. Why do you want this? Not nice to have, but I will die without it. Ethan thought the city wasn't just lights, it was freedom for his family, for himself. He wrote it down, to build a home where mom never worries about rain leaking through. Every morning, he read it, whispered it, let it burn in his chest. Second fire, the pain of no. Feel what happens if you quit. See it, live it. Ethan imagined, still in the village at 40, hammer in hand, dreams rusted. The pain twisted his gut. "No!" he growled. "Not me!" He nailed a sketch to the wall, a crumbling house, labeled it, "If I fail." Every lazy thought? He looked at it, felt the ache. Third fire, the ritual. Make a habit so small it can't say no, but chain it to the beast. Ethan started tiny, 1 sketch a day, just 5 minutes, before dawn. No excuses, rain or shine, forge smoke or village quiet. 1 became 2, 2 became a book. The pencil steadied, lines sharpened. Months passed, the village whispered, "Ethan's changed." He wasn't louder, just relentless. When doubt crept in, like shadows at noon, he'd stoke the fires. Why? Pain, ritual, and push. The fair came again. Ethan stood taller, sketch in hand, not perfect, but fierce. The judge leaned in, eyes narrowed, then widened. This has soul, boy. You've got the scholarship." Ethan didn't jump, didn't cheer. He just nodded, felt the fires warm inside. That night, in the forge, his father hammered beside him. "You forced it, son. Now, build." Music swells, triumphant strings fading to soft piano. Friends, goals aren't chased, they're forged in the heat of your will. Light your 3 fires today, your burning why, the terror of quitting, the unbreakable ritual. What goal scares you most? Comment below. My fire starts now. Like if this hit home. Subscribe for more stories that force you to rise. Because you don't wait for wings, you hammer them yourself. End screen. Call to action. Subscribe button glows. Fade to black.